Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Docker. Now start the process. Pull the MySQL image with Docker pull MySQL 8.0, then run docker create or run with MySQL root password as an env-var. Use vMySQL data /var/lib/MySQL or bind mount. /MySQL data /var/lib/MySQL to persist data. Expose a port with P3306 if you need external access. Make sure to choose the correct image tag for compatibility. Using a volume avoids losing data when containers are removed. Once the container starts, monitor initialization by running docker logs f your container. The image initializes databases on first run. Wait for ready for connections. If you want custom schemas, place SQL or sh files into /dockerentra.initdb, D in the container or mount a host dir there so they run automatically. To create users manually, docker execute mysql 1 mysql urroot p and run create database and grant statements. Make sure character sets and collations match your app requirements. You can now connect from your app or local client using host 127.0.0.1 and the exposed port. Avoid using localhost socket if port mapping is used. For backups, run Mysql dump inside the container or snapshot the Docker volume. Schedule exports for critical data. If something goes wrong, inspect Docker logs for permission denied or InnoDB errors. Verify the volume owner is accessible by UID 999, and ensure the chosen MySQL tag matches any existing data files. Restart.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.